Welcome friends. In this video, we will see two special tags, Marquee and Blink. These both tags are used for creating animation type effects. So let's see one by one. Let's see Blink tag first. So Blink tag is used to give on and off effect to text. So let's write Blink, which is the Blink tag. Write some text. We are writing this is animation and complete Blink. Blink tag doesn't contain any special attribute. We can give BG color or background to blink tag, but it doesn't contain any special attributes. So now let's see the effect of blink tag. Save this document and run. We can see the blink tag text is becoming on and off, on and off. So this is the effect of blink attribute. So this type of animation we can give using the blink tag. Now let's see marquee tag. When we want to give animation like some text or images goes from left to right or right to left, then we can use marquee tag. So this is the spelling for marquee. Currently we are just giving text and without any attribute we are writing marquee tag. We are writing this is marquee effect and close marquee tag. Save this and let's see what will be the effect. So text from left side is coming and going towards the right end. So this is the effect of marquee tag. When it reaches the left end of the window, it again starts from the right end and goes toward the left end. So this way we can give animation or advertisement using the marquee effect. Now let's see marquee with some attributes. So let's see first behavior attribute. Set value of behavior attribute is equal to alternate. Save and let's run. Marquee attribute starts from the right window, but when it reaches to the left end, it again starts from left to right. So this is the effect of behavior attribute. Now let's see another attribute called direction. When we want to specify direction of marquee text or marquee content, then we can do this by using direction. I want to give right and let's see. So marquee will be started from right and goes toward the left. So this way we can give direction to the marquee content using the direction attribute. We can also set BG color background using same attribute which we have seen in previous example. So this is about marquee and blink tag which is used to give animation type effects. Thank you very much.